Sheep's wool was the most common material used in making pioneer clothes. Sheep were difficult to raise with wolves common and winter food scarce. If they survived the winter, they had a thick, fine fleece. The shearing took place in the late spring. The poorer fleece was used for padding and quilts. The better wool was kept for spinning. Most of the work connected with the wool industry fell to pioneer women. After washing the wool in soft water, the fleece was dyed. Dyes were usually homemade. For instance, waxwood, onion skins, horseradish leaves, and goldenrod flowers were used for the color yellow. Carding combed out the dirt and opened and prepared the fibers for easy spinning. Many villages had a carding mill where this work was done. The colonial spinning wheel enabled the spinner to sit while working. The wheel was treadled by foot, and the fibers drawn out with the fingers, twisted into yarn, and stored on the bobbin. When the bobbin was full, the yarn was wound onto a swift, then rolled into balls. If the yarn was to be used for knitting, 2 or more strands were combined to form a heavier yarn. A single strand was used for weaving. When finished, the yarn was wound on a hand reel. This measured the yarn and arranged it in a skein. 4 skeins of wool was considered a good day's work at the reel.